I'm Janet. I have two dogs. Last time, one of my dogs, Hanhu, has talked with you. Today, let's see what is the other one going to say. The video will be played for 2 times. The first time will be Chinese character with Hanyu Pinyin. The second time will be Chinese character with 4 tones. You can pay attention to it. If you think this video is helpful, please give this video a like to let more people to see it. Okay, let's watch it and see what's gonna happen.
我是多哥，我有一个哥哥。你有兄弟姐妹吗？我每天早上5点半和晚上6点半吃饭。你都几点吃晚餐呢？我白天和胖虎一起看家，等主人回家。你在哪里工作？你的工作是什么呢？我是多哥，我有一个哥哥。你有兄弟姐妹吗？我每天早上5点半和晚上6点半吃饭。你都几点吃晚餐呢？我白天和胖虎一起看家，等主人回家。你在哪里工作？你的工作是什么呢？
Do you have any ideas what Doge is talking about? Let's do some grammar explanation and practice.
我是多哥，我是多哥。My name is 多哥。我爱是 be. Speaking practice. Hint. My name is Kevin. 我有一个哥哥。我有一个哥哥。I have an older brother. 有 have 1 个 general major word. Speaking practice. Hint. I have a sister. 你有兄弟姐妹吗？你有兄弟姐妹吗？
Do you have any sibling?
兄弟 brothers 姐妹 sisters. Speaking practice. Hint. Do you have any brothers? 我每天早上5点半和晚上6点半吃饭。我每天早上5点半和晚上6点半吃饭。I have my meal at 5:30 in the morning and 6:30 in the afternoon every day. 每天 every day 吃饭 have meals. Speaking practice. Hint. I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. 你都几点吃晚餐呢？你都几点吃晚餐呢？ What time do you usually eat dinner? 都 always 几点 What time? 晚餐 dinner. Speaking practice. Hint. What time do you sleep? 我白天和胖虎一起看家，等主人回家。我白天和胖虎一起看家，等主人回家。I look after the house with 胖虎 during the day and wait for the master to come home. 白天 daytime 看家 look after the house 回家 come home. Speaking practice hint I look after the house with my sister. 你在哪里工作？你在哪里工作？ Where do you work? 在 at 哪里 Where 工作 Work. Speaking practice hint Where do you study? 你的工作是什么呢？你的工作是什么呢？ What do you do? 的 Use after an attribute. 什么 What? Speaking practice hint What are your hobbies?
After we learn all the grammars, let's see the video one more time with Chinese character only to check whether you got it or not.
我是多哥，我有一个哥哥。你有兄弟姐妹吗？我每天早上5点半和晚上6点半吃饭。你都几点吃晚餐呢？我白天和胖虎一起看家，等主人回家。你在哪里工作？你的工作是什么呢？
Have you learned it? Hope today's video helps you a lot. If you have any questions, you can leave your comment. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. I will make more videos for Chinese learning. See you next time. Bye bye.
进去。